Today we're going to be looking at microorganisms under the microscope. If you have a microscope at home, you can try this experiment. These samples are going to be collected from our local pond. Okay, let's go collect some samples. Okay, we got our samples. Let's take them back to the lab. This is one of my favorite books by James Wise, the creator of Journey to Microcosmos. You can use books like this or search online to identify microorganisms under the microscope. It's important to keep your hands and workstation clean when working with microorganisms. Make sure to wash your hands after. I'm going to use a pipette to take a sample and prepare my slide.
This project was a lot of fun. Hope you can try it at home too. We've got some fun projects coming up, so subscribe and stay tuned.
With the most common ducks in Utah, the ones with green heads are males, and the ones with like the brownish gray heads are females.